is that we don't operate in linear time in Marconics. So some of you might be experiencing that now, where you're losing time. You can manipulate maybe even things to be shorter, things to be longer. Yes? You finding that? We embark on a journey that should take 3 hours and it seems like it went very quickly. Yes? Yes? Things like that? Something that you're enjoying or you're meditative in, you can find you can stretch the time out and make it sort of last a little bit longer. Okay, so you're playing with time matrix already. We play with it in a very big way. We literally can back up 2 years and begin again. And at this particular point, we've backed up 5 years. We're back in 2012 right now, is where we are. Because we were not ready. You were not ready. Yes. Yeah, when you'll see us do this Tourette's type thing, that's
They already see me at the door.
Yeah. That's because we have experienced the descent into the avatar of our highest, ourselves at the highest point, and that is what they choose to do to confirm. Sometimes for us, it's almost like you get a tug right there to go, yeah, take note. So that's kind of what goes on there. You'll get there. You'll be doing it. It can be a bit painful sometimes. Sorry, what was I saying?
You were
paying attention.
We were no. We backed up to 2012.
Backed up to 2012. Because in 2012, humans were not ready. Yes? We couldn't assimilate the energies, we were just getting sick. And at that time, it was actually deemed this wasn't going to work, and it was probably best if it was just left, because we aren't the only ones that are going to light, as I'm sure you're aware. We are the lowest common denominator. There are several others. We are the anchor. And what we are the anchor for specifically is our own higher self lineages, who are in these higher dimensions, and they need to go up. They're waiting for their ascension. They can't if they can't bring us up to. Does that make sense? That's where that's why there's so much interest in what is going on here. That's why there's so much support for what is going on here. Here's the other part. That's why there has been so much opposition to what is going on here, because it changes everything, and some beings don't want that. Right? Not everybody wants ascension on this planet or on other planets or in the universe itself. So it's not been an easy path to tread, but certainly by 2012 we didn't have much of a hope of making it. All right? So more time, we brought more time, but they can't hold off for very much longer, because the free will zone of this planet has been relaxed now for too long, and there are beings entering this matrix that are not human, and are not in alignment, not in alliance, and do not want this to go off. All right? So we are back in that another inception point, back at 2012, to come get you guys who perhaps weren't ready at 2012. Does that make sense? But lucky for you is that the last 5 years of what sometimes has been a total shit show for us, yes, we have the map for now. So you can bypass all of that, okay? Because we've gone through those lower floors and we're just standing in the elevator as the door opens and you just step on and we go the rest of the way. Does that yes? Does that make sense? Good. Okay. All right.